Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Python and Django interview questions. The next question is related to the not the Python and Django question. It is not related to the Python and Django, but it will they will ask in the interview as an experienced person. They will expect from you that this question answer difference between the web services and API. Difference between web services and API. What is the difference between the web services and API? Just a minute. First, I will draw two circles. This is suppose API. In that web service will comes. In that web service will comes. In the web service, other some protocols will come. That is REST and SOAP. Okay. We'll write the pencil. This suppose this is our API. API means application program interface. API means application program interface. Second is this is web service. Web service. This is under web service. There are some protocols like REST and SOAP. We can also, these also known as architecture styles. REST and SOAP also known as architecture styles. API. Okay, API means to communicate with the application. To communicate with the any software application, we use the API. To communicate with the web application, we use the web services. In the web services, we use some architectures like REST or SOAP. To communicate with the web services, there are some protocols that are HTTP. Basically, we use HTTP, HTTPS to communicate with the. These also HTTP. There are many protocols, but HTTP is the famous one. Okay, I think you got the some basic idea about the what is API, what is web service, and what is REST and SOAP. Second thing I want to mention here is REST is nowadays all the applications are using REST. It is the old one, but it is secure. SOAP means S means secure. You can in this way you can remember. SOAP is secure as compared to REST. REST is faster. REST is faster as compared to SOAP. Both are the architecture styles in the web service. Okay. Definition: what is web service? A standardized medium for communicating over the web. To communicate with the web application, so we need some service. That service name is web service. To communicate with the web application, we need some service. That service known as web service. Communication over the service. Then what is API? A set of rules for building and interacting with the software or application. To communicate with the application, we need API. To communicate with the web, we need web service. There are some communication protocols for web service: HTTP, SOAP, and REST. HTTP, SOAP, and REST. HTTP, SOAP, and REST are the protocols. Can use any communication method. There are many in communication protocols in the API like HTTP, TCP. TCP also one of the protocol are in-app calls like this. Okay. What is the scope? It is only for the web application to communicate with the web application. API is for all the softwares. It's a type of API. The web service is just a type of API. An API can exist without being a web service. Okay, this much difference is enough to explain the interview. But for more details, you can read this. Because web-based protocols only for web service can use multiple protocols like HTTP, TCP, other. HTTP and XML RPC both are web-based. HTTP and XML RPCR, both are XML and HTTP, both are web based. Can you multiple TCP and IP is not web based. Use standard formats like XML, JSON, or SOAP in this in web services. But in API, can use any format supported by the application. Connectivity must be accessible over a network, usually the web. I already discussed this thing. Can work locally on a network or over the web. What is fundamental what is the fundamental difference between the web service and REST framework? Web services comes under API. REST protocol comes under the web service. Okay, this much enough. If you explain in the interview, these things are enough. Okay. We have few standards. SOAP means what is SOAP? Simple Object Application Protocol. Access Protocol, Simple Object Access Protocol, and REST means Representation State Transfer Protocol. REST is speed as compared to SOAP, and SOAP is secure as compared to REST. REST is faster as compared to SOAP, and SOAP is secure as compared to REST. REST is lightweight, and SOAP is not a lightweight. XML is for base. Performance wise, REST is better. Security wise, SOAP is better. WS security. Use cases suitable for modern web, mobile apps, and microservices. Suitable for complex enterprise systems where security is important. At that time, we need to go with the SOAP architecture. Flexibility, high supports JSON, XML, and high support JSON and XML. But it is low for only for XML. It is suitable for only for XML actually. Okay. Okay, friends. Some of the Python interviews we will see in the next video.